a woman woke up to find herself surrounded by hundreds of men. She had never experienced such a high level of attention before and was momentarily unsure whether to be afraid or grateful. Soon, she, her husband, and the other surviving guides were captured by a tribe of cannibals. Perhaps the locals had never seen a blonde, voluptuous Western beauty before, as they were intensely curious about Lassie. They were tied to a wooden stake, and by this time, Lassie's husband was already terrified out of his mind. The tribesman seemed to understand what he was trying to say and actually chose to eat him first. Lassie looked at her once beloved partner with a heavy heart. She didn't harbor too much hatred toward him, after all. To truly understand a person, one must go through certain experiences. Soon, a native in charge of the tribe's food selection arrived and carefully examined the 4 captives. Ultimately, they chose Lassie and carried her toward a large, blackened pot that had not been cleaned in years. However, it turned out that they were only applying high-end seasonings on her first. Meanwhile, the cannibals, being a people of honor, kept their word and released Lassie's husband, allowing him to leave freely. But his wife wasn't as fortunate. She had already become the chieftain's concubine. By the time the guide, Changu, managed to rescue her, her mind had already been shattered from the torment. She kept muttering about needing to clean something.